Castle Rocks walking track is located in the Munghorn Gap Nature Reserve. This is near Mudgee, New South Wales, Australia. It has great access and turning lanes either side of the road into a gravel car park. It is a 5,934 hectare nature reserve with a lookout over sandstone pagoda formations. The walking track turnoff is on Llama Road. The track itself is an old fire trail which has been gated to keep vehicles out. It's a 9-kilometre return easy grade track. It is a national park, so there is no camping down this track or in the area, and please keep your pets at home. As you can see, it is still a well-formed fire trail, and it is easy walking, as they say. It's quite interesting to look at the change in the bush on either side of the track as you go down, from stands of pines into other sorts of bush. You will find there is some slight up and down gradients and a few patches in the track where it's a little bit muddy, but it's easy to get around. You'll come to a fork in the trail. If you turn left, it takes you down beside the pagoda formations. It is worth going down. I'll show you a few shots from there. The pagodas rise up beside you like great monoliths. They're awesome and breathtaking just to look at. If you turn right at the junction, it takes you to the Castle Rocks lookout. I recommend going to this place. From this point on, you'll notice that the track becomes slightly more narrowed, and the further down you get, less like a fire trail. Towards the end, the track becomes a little bit rough, where you are stepping over boulders and around other obstacles in the track. As you're coming around the corner, you start to see the pagodas rising up out of the trees. The last section of the track is a bit of a scramble up between a sort of a little gully on the rocks. Once you get to the top, the view is breathtaking. Just be cautious, as there is no safety features anywhere up on these rocks. That's what I love about them. There is nothing man-made. It is all natural and up to you to keep yourself safe. You can climb up out on the pagodas. It's not for the faint-hearted, but good fun. There was quite a few people out on the rocks while I was out there. This is due to the fact that there was a group like scouts camping in the area at the time, and they had all come down for a day walk. It would be an amazing place if you were out there with just you and your friends. I would most definitely recommend the walk out to Castle Rocks if you are in the area. Or even if you're close by, it's worth the extra bit of the drive just to see these stunning features.